How to download the YouTube app in your laptop or PC. To download the YouTube app, open Google Chrome. Don't use any other browser like Brave or Firefox because you can download the YouTube app only through Google Chrome. Now, open YouTube and allow it to load completely. We will wait until it loads completely. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner and then go to Cast, Save and Share. You can see that we have the option to install YouTube. Click on it and you will get this pop-up asking whether you want to install or cancel. Click install and within a minute the YouTube app will be installed. You can see this is our downloaded YouTube app. I will minimize it and you can see that a desktop shortcut has also been added. So this was how you can download the YouTube app in your laptop or PC. If you want to know how to play YouTube music even after locking your phone, then check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.